Hello everybody, this is Trevor Slesky, owner of Monster Hobbies in High River, Alberta, Canada. Thank you for tuning in to this great video for us to watch us race on this amazing track. This is Misano, Italy. Unfortunately, no one showed up last night. Some of the guys were out doing other things. And so unfortunately for this week, there is no race. Although, since I was the only one there, technically I can claim a sweeping victory. All first place for me, all the way across the board. 45 points or whatever it is. No, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, unfortunately, there is no race for this track. But I do have a building video, and you can find that on our Patreon page, and I'll leave the link below in the description, so that if you want to build Misano, Italy, well, I built it so I can show it to you, and I'd like to do that. Just come over on Patreon and check it out. So next week we will be in Spa-Francorchamps. That will be our last race of this season, and hopefully we'll get people showing up for that. But if not, we're going to be doing Formula 1 in January of 2019. And once Christmas and all that is over, because I'm sure a lot of these guys are going to Christmas parties, and like Josh is probably doing Christmas concerts or, you know, whatever. It's a busy time of the year, so I'm not really holding out, oh no, nobody came, you know, because I know everyone will come back. It's not a big deal. And we'll probably, I'll have to build this again, and we'll race it again. But anyway, that's just how it's going now. So next week we will be in Spa-Francorchamps, and hopefully we will have some racing going on. Otherwise, I'll sweep that one again too with solid victory all the way across. Then that means I win the league. Anyway, so until next time, happy racing.